In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Remaster feature on Suno AI. Let's dive into the steps to transform your music effortlessly. First, ensure you're logged into your Suno AI account. If you haven't already, head over to the Suno website, enter your credentials, and sign in. It's important to note that the Remaster feature requires a pro account, so make sure you're subscribed accordingly. Once you're in, navigate to your library within the Suno AI interface. This is your collection of songs, and from here, you can choose the track you want to breathe new life into. Look through your list and find the song that you think needs a bit of a touch-up. When you've found your song, direct your attention to the right of the track. You'll see three little dots which represent the More Actions menu. Click on those dots to bring up a range of options that you can perform on your track. From the menu that appears, you'll need to hover over the Create option. This action prompts a submenu to appear, from which you shall select the Remaster option. This is a crucial step as it initiates the remastering process. Remember, if you're working with the V5 model of Suno AI, you have some additional flexibility. You can choose from varying levels of variation strength: subtle, normal, and high. Each level offers a different degree of transformation for your track. Let's explore what each option means. The subtle option is ideal for those looking to achieve a cleaner mix or smoother balance without straying too far from the original feel of the song. If you prefer to maintain the essence of the track while just polishing it, this is the way to go. Moving on to the normal setting, this will allow the remastering process to stay true to the original, but with a refreshing update. It breathes new life into the track, perfect for when you want the song to feel rejuvenated yet familiar. Then there's the high setting, for when you're looking to make more significant changes. If you want to experiment, change up the instrument balance, or introduce noticeable twists, this will provide a more pronounced transformation. Once you've made your choice, it's time to hit Generate. Suno will take it from here, processing your song to enhance its audio quality. It will work on improving the mix and balance of instruments and vocals, and it might even enhance the pronunciation as needed. After processing, 2 different remastered versions of your song will be automatically generated and added to your library. You can listen to both, compare, and decide which version suits your preferences best. That's it. You've now successfully used the Remaster feature on Suno AI. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly polished tracks.